5G network not showing up on your iPhone? Don't worry. This video is right for you as we have brought you some tips and tricks on how you can fix it. Firstly, go and tap on your settings and make sure to turn on the airplane mode and turn it off again, as it will refresh all of your network settings at once. Similarly, another solution is to turn your device to the low data mode. Go on search button and type low data mode. Tap on it and make sure to tap on data mode and tap on low data mode, which will automatically allow more data on 5G over Wi-Fi. Similarly, you can also update your iOS to the newer version so that it will work and function properly. Another thing what you can do is you can go and switch off your phone or restart your phone. Once you do it, it will automatically refresh all of your settings on your phone. In this way, you can easily fix your 5G network not showing up on your iPhone. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.